Good morning, class. This is Mr. Tuttle, and I'd like to discuss two ways to use technology to graph functions. The first uses a free online program called Desmos, and the second uses Microsoft Excel. Let's suppose I want to graph y equals 30 divided by left parentheses 1 plus 2 raised to the power negative 1.5x right parentheses. First, let's go to www.desmos.com and click on Start Graphing. Enter the equation in the text box using the caret key for exponentiation. And note that Desmos reformats the equation. When I click the Enter key, Desmos graphs the equation. By using the mouse to scroll, I get a larger window. Although this was pretty easy, I would also like to show you how to graph in Microsoft Excel. I will start by entering as my column headings X and y equals 30 divided by left parentheses 1 plus 2 raised to the power left parentheses negative 1.5x right parentheses. I'm going to graph from x equals negative 5 to positive 5 in increments of 0.5. So I'll start by putting negative 5 in cell A2. In cell A3, I'll put equal sign A2 plus 0.5. And then I'll copy this formula down so I have a column of numbers where each number is 0.5 greater than the number above. Now in cell B2, I'm going to enter my formula for y as follows. Equal sign 30 slash left parentheses 1 plus 2 caret left parentheses negative 1.5 times A2 right parentheses right parentheses. I've now evaluated my y formula using the value of x contained in cell A2. I'm going to copy this formula down so I have a column of numbers where each number represents the y formula evaluated using the value of x contained in the cell to the left. Now I'm going to highlight all my work, including the column headings. Click Insert, Scatter, OK, and here's my graph. I can play with the graph, change the axes, the headings, the colors, and so on, but this has allowed me to graph the function in Excel. Experiment with both Desmos and Excel, and see they are both pretty easy.